Hey, I'm Brad and I've put together this banjo school community to give beginners and improver players a clear path to actually progress on the Irish tenor banjo without confusion or overwhelm. Now, the biggest problem I see with banjo learners is not effort and it's not direction, but most people are trying to learn from scattered videos, different styles and no real structure, so they never feel like they're actually getting anywhere. Now, the community is designed to fix that. Inside you've got simple weekly structure, beginner friendly lessons and a clear path so that you always know exactly what to practice. So I'm going to show you inside now of my banjo school community. It's called Brad's Banjo Club. So the community tab looks just like Facebook essentially. When you join, I just ask everyone to introduce themselves. Again, not everyone has to, but it's just nice to get to know people, and you'll see sort of comments, people sort of tell you where they're from and this, that and the other. After every live call, I'll post the homework and a little video challenge. Post the homework as PDFs, you can download that and work your way through that. Again, we'll go through that in a live call once a week. Members in the group post videos of themselves playing just to get a little bit of feedback and, you know, just to put themselves out there and get some, you know, again, valued feedback from not just me, but the rest of the community. You know, plenty of people comment on there and support everyone that's posting. And then other people have posted bits and bobs in there about like other resources, about books. Once a week, I'll post Banjo Tips Tuesday, ask people to post a video. I'll just post like a quick lesson with a little diagram and an explanation and just ask people to post, and I'll give some feedback. Yeah, so it's really friendly in there. Again, I post a video myself, just demonstrating everything and explaining bits and bobs. But yeah, everyone posts a little video, and again, it's just another great way to get involved in the community and to really learn. Also, all my most recent YouTube videos just go in the group straight away, so you never miss one of them. But yeah, that's the community tab. It's just really good to get involved, chat with everyone. Then we have the classroom, which has a beginner course. There's 3 modules inside this course. You can click on that, check all the modules there, work your way through that. It's, again, very beginner friendly. We have the calendar as well. So this is where we schedule the live calls. I done one last night, as you can see, on Microsoft Teams. Each week I schedule a new lesson. Currently they're on Saturdays. I haven't scheduled this week's, but yeah, they'll go, another one will go in the diary for this Saturday and the following Saturday, and so on and so on. Members tab, we have the map, sort of shows you where everyone's from. There's quite a number of people from Ireland, UK, Germany, Greece. We have someone in Australia, and then also quite a few from the States and Canada as well, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, and then the leaderboard is just if you're active in the community, you know, encourage others and, you know, post and ask questions. There's a little leaderboard there just to make it a little bit more fun, to keep everyone at the top, and it just makes it, again, a little bit more fun. And then the about page sort of explains a little bit about me. There's a little video there you can watch me playing. That is the community, and the best part of this is the people are already using it and they're making progress. Even in the early days, members are sharing clips, asking questions and improving week by week. So just imagine a few weeks from now, instead of feeling stuck, you're actually playing tunes with confidence, your timing is improving, and you finally know what to practice each day. Now, the community is just $25 per month, and you can join below. If you want structure, support and a clear path on the Irish tenor banjo, I'd love to see you inside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the community.